Do you know that you can make a condensed milk and control the sweetness in it? To make this, we will need powdered milk, granulated sugar, and boiling water. That's all. That's the only ingredients we need to make a super luscious, not so sweet condensed milk. Mix it all together until creamy, and you have your condensed milk. The simple method of creating your own condensed milk at home creates a delicious, budget-friendly alternative that can be stored in the fridge after 2 weeks. Cool this down slightly and it will thicken more. You can also add some butter for extra creaminess if you are going to use this for baking. But with or without butter, it's so good.